Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk around and startup video of this gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sedan. Now, this car is turquoise and white in color, as you can see, and the paint and body on this car are awesome. This thing is a beautiful car. I don't think the colors get any better than this, ladies and gentlemen. This turquoise and white, this car really pops. My daughter's seen this car and she is in love with it. She said, "That's a beautiful car, Dad." And I said, "Well, thank you, young lady." The glass on this car, gorgeous shape. Look at all that stainless trim, chrome, bright work. Everything on this car is absolutely beautiful. The undercarriage of this car, spectacular. Check out that stainless. Door handles, great shape. The chrome bumpers are in great shape as well. A little bit of dirt there that somebody didn't wipe off. American Racing torque thrust wheels. Power steering, power brakes with disc brakes on the front. 350 turbo. Just very nicely detailed engine compartment. Aluminum radiator. Polished radiator support. Chrome valve covers, air cleaner, polished intake, Edelbrock carburetor. Chrome brake booster, painted firewall. All the emblems, all the chrome, the grille, upgraded headlights, got the bright headlights in it. The interior in this car, very, very nice. Show you that. Very nice carpeting, seats, dash, retro radio, headliner, sun visors, package tray, rear seat. Door jambs. Whole binder full of paperwork here that's been done to the car. Receipts, invoices. Just all kinds of paperwork for you there on this 56. We'll go over here, we'll start this car up for you. Does have an aftermarket set of gauges in it. Dash light, horn, bright light head indicator, radio, fan works, glove box, left turn signal, right turn signal. Beautiful door panels. Car sounds great, runs great. License plate lights, tail light, turn signals, blue dot tail lights. You should take a look at the undercarriage of this beautiful car. I'll show it to you here in a second. Very nice inside the trunk as well. Spare tire jack instructions. Beautiful car. One little chip right there that I seen. Got a little bit of, still got a little bit of dirt on it. time of year. Check out the underneath that car though. All painted body color underneath, super solid frames, real nice. It's got track bars, stabilizer bars underneath of it, Flowmaster mufflers, new exhaust. I'd love to show you more imperfections in this car if I seen them, but I really don't see anything on it. That was I thought that was a little rock chip. It wasn't. It's a little speck of dirt. And you can see even that there. That's just a little speck of dirt too. Just a gorgeous car. I don't see any bubbles, blisters, or imperfections down on the bottom side of the car at all. And a couple little chips right here. 3 or 4 small itty bitty chips. You wouldn't even notice them unless you were right up close to them, like I say. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 56 Chevrolet, give us a call. Or if you have a car to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car. I really appreciate y'all watching our videos. I hope you all have a great afternoon, great evening, and I'll be back at you tomorrow with some more great classic cars. Thank you.